How to use Planet Fitness massage chairs. I'm going to tell you how to use the massage chairs at Planet Fitness. First off, only Black Card members get access, so make sure yours is active. Head to the massage chair area and check if there's a user limit. Some locations let you sign in at the front desk or kiosk, others just go first come, first served. Sit down, insert coin, or tap your key tag. Most chairs are free with membership or require a quick swipe. Use the control pad to select the massage type, rolling, kneading, vibration, or heat. Start slow, 1 to 3 minutes is a good warm up, then increase intensity if it feels right. Keep your posture relaxed, feet flat, and don't lean forward on the armrests. It works best when you just sit back after your session, hit stop, stand carefully, and wipe the chair surface with the cleaning wipes provided.